So thank you for coming to this course or showing interest in this course, Formatting in Excel. It's provided by my company, Midas Tech International, and for these course I've used that logo. Many people use Excel, perhaps 100 million. Many of them would be in the slow mode. Now there's different speeds at which you can use Excel. And it's unfamiliar with Excel, or what I would call hacking. And then you can get faster as you develop more skills. Now I'm providing a series of courses which will take you from slow to turbo. But you have to start it slow first. And I've looked at other courses available on Excel formatting, and they're good. But they don't provide the same sort of concepts that I provide. They don't provide a sequential approach into being able to create, to use Excel faster. But not only just faster, but to create user-friendly, error-free workbooks. This course is fundamental, but it takes you from slow to moderate. And when I say moderate, you may be faster than all your colleagues, because it does contain skills that will help you to be fast. The course really just focuses on one exercise, just one exercise only. But believe me, it's a good exercise. We take a spreadsheet here, and this is the spreadsheet, and we analyze it, we try and work out what's going on, we have a look at the equations and so forth, and then I explain step by step how to improve this spreadsheet. I won't discuss what the purpose of the spreadsheet is or anything like that now, that will take too long. But we end up with something like this. Everything is clear, logical, structured. People can work out what's going on. It creates, it has far more information than in the original spreadsheet. And because of that, it is more informative and easier to follow. The equations are easier to follow. But a key concept that I introduce is the idea of a template, where we put a lot of effort into making sure that the underlying table, the original table, is well presented, and then we copy and paste from there on. And I haven't really seen courses that focus too much on how to use templates. That's really what the course is. I hope, if that interests you, I hope you'll participate. And I would say there's about 100 different concepts that I teach. And I'm sure there's things you'll learn. There'll also be things which you won't learn because you will probably be experienced in Excel. This course is suitable if you're a beginner in Excel, but I'd also say that it's suitable if you've spent years using Excel. I talk to advanced Excel users, and there are concepts here that they're not familiar with. So I look forward to your company, and I'll see you in the course.